Hi, I'm Jacob Wersch, Product Manager for Lincoln Electric, and I'm here today to talk about my favorite feature on the POWER MIG 262 series. We've got with me the POWER MIG 262MP, which is our multi-process unit, and the 262P, which is our pulsed unit. They both have the same features, but we're going to look at it on the MP today. The first one's going to be Ready, Set, Weld, which kind of takes all the guesswork out of welding, makes it really easy to jump into a project. And all you're simply going to do is select a process. Today we're going to do GMAW or MIG. It's going to ask you to go to the guided setup, which will walk you through the Ready, Set, Weld. You're going to select your material. So today I'm going to do stainless. You're going to pick the wire diameter. We're running 035. And then the last thing you're going to do is pick your gas type. And because I'm doing stainless, I'm going to do 98% argon and 2% CO2. Once that's selected, you'll decide if you're doing a constant voltage or a pulse, and today we're going to do just a constant voltage. Determine the thickness of our plate, and we're going to do 3/16 of an inch. And it's going to set up the machine for us and remind us what polarity we need to use. Once we're in the home screen, everything's set up perfectly. You can see we've got the green, which is the acceptable range for the parameters. And arc effects comes into effect anytime we make a change here. And so if I adjust my wire feed speed, you're going to see the deposition or depth of the weld change. And then if I change the voltage, you're going to see the concavity of the weld change. So as I go up in voltage, you're going to get a more concave weld. As I go down in voltage, you're going to get a more convex weld. But with this cross section, it's predictive. You know exactly what your weld's going to look like before you make it. And for people like me who aren't welding every single day, it takes a lot of the guesswork out of welding. For more information on these machines or this type of technology, visit us at lincolnelectric.com. Thanks.